English Hungarian. What is, equals.
Mi az?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you, ready to level up fast? Let's have fun with one small phrase that opens big doors. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today's super tool is the question that unlocks any mystery.
Mi az?
If curiosity had a catchphrase, this would be it. Let's make it stick and make it fun. Your goal today. You'll master one tiny, mighty question and use it everywhere. Meaning, what is, equals.
Mi az?
Mini breakdown.
Mi?
Equals what?
Az?
Equals that. Put them together and ask confidently. Memory tip. See some jazz? Ask.
Mi az?
Your brain will giggle and remember. Compare. Who equals?
Ki az?
What does it mean equals?
Mit jelent?
Where is equals?
Hol van?
Mini dialogue at the market. Act it out with me. You're bold, friendly, and very curious. You. I point at a strange tool and ask.
Mi az?
Vendor. It's for peeling potatoes. Mystery solved. You. New word unlocked, brain leveled up. Narrator. Same move at a museum, a hardware store, or class, just say.
Mi az?
Pronunciation beat. Let's groove it into your mouth with rhythm. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap on 1 and 2, breathe on 3, say.
Mi az?
On 4. Ready? Go. Now whisper it like a secret detective.
Mi az?
Now say it with curious eyebrows.
Mi az?
Speed loop, 3 times with confidence.
Mi az? Mi az? Mi az?
Drills. Point and ask. You'll hear scenes, respond with your magic question. Class. New word on the board. You say.
Mi az?
Workshop. Mysterious device blinking at you. You say.
Mi az?
Market. Exotic spiky fruit. You say.
Mi az?
Museum. A shiny emblem with a lion. You say.
Mi az?
Culture tip. Budapest moments. Here's how this works in real life. At a Rubik's Cube stall in Budapest, tourists point, smile, and ask.
Mi az?
And locals happily explain. Add a friendly tone and a smile. Curiosity is universal, and
Mi az?
opens doors and sometimes discounts smiles. Quick quiz and challenge. Ready to lock it in? Short quiz, then a speed burst. Quiz. How do you say, what is, in Hungarian? Answer.
Mi az?
Odd one out. Which is not a who, what, where identification question. A.
Mi az?
B.
Ki az?
C.
Holnap.
Tomorrow. Answer. C.
Holnap.
Speed round. Say it 3 times fast.
Mi az? Mi az? Mi az?
Wrap up. Nice work. Your curiosity now speaks Hungarian. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep pointing, asking, and smiling. Use
Mi az?
today and watch conversations bloom. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.